Alright, what you see here today is a 52-inch Hampton Farmington ceiling fan. This fan is from 2019. It is a 3-speed electrically reversible fan. It's in a rental house that we're staying in Jacksonville for our vacation. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Here's low. This fan has a bad capacitor, unfortunately. So the speed, so when you turn on high, it's just about the same as medium. And the blades are drooping a little bit. So this fan is only 6 years old. It's got a bit of a hum to it as well, which doesn't surprise me because of the bad capacitor. And it has a slight bearing noise to it as well. It blows a decent amount of air. Definitely feel a good breeze. And here's high. This fan runs pretty well, doesn't really wobble. See, a high speed is about the same as medium. Alright, and then I'm gonna see that switch there doesn't work. It's broken, so you have to turn it off by the pull chain. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos on this trip.